This right here is the Kenworth Bullnose, a cab over from the era when trucks were built like battleships and comfort was optional. Drivers sat directly over the engine, meaning every shift came with a side of heat and vibration. Power steering? Nope. Air ride? Not a chance. Just steel, sweat, and determination. These trucks ruled the roads before aerodynamics were a thing. Sure, modern rigs are more comfortable, but this beast had character. Would I drive one cross country today? Not unless I wanted a chiropractor on speed dial. But damn, does it look good?